If your external monitor isn't working with a Lenovo docking station, you may see issues like no signal, flickering screens, or the wrong resolution. These problems usually happen because of outdated graphics drivers, docking station firmware glitches, low power delivery, or incompatible HDMI or DisplayPort cables. Since docks rely on proper communication between your laptop's GPU and the dock's chipset, even a small mismatch can interrupt the video signal. The good news is that most Lenovo dock display issues can be fixed quickly with a few basic checks and updates. Step 1. Check that your HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cables are firmly connected and use certified cables. Step 2. Power reset the dock by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and reconnecting it. Step 3. Update graphics drivers and dock firmware using the Lenovo Vantage app. Step 4. Open Windows Display Settings and click Detect to find the external monitor. Step 5. If the issue continues, check BIOS or Thunderbolt settings and test with another cable or port.